Unlock your future, high-paying remote jobs with no experience in 2023. Welcome to Techstride. Today, we have some exciting news for you. If you've been dreaming of working from home, making good money, and escaping the traditional 9-to-5 grind, this video is for you. We'll show you how to secure high-paying remote jobs in 2023, even if you have zero experience. Picture this: no more stressful commutes, no more cramped cubicles, and no more office politics. It's time to embrace the remote work revolution. The remote job market has been booming, with a 115% increase since 2020. Companies have realized the benefits of remote work and are actively looking for talented individuals like you to join their teams. Here's the best part. Many of these remote positions require no prior experience. Companies are willing to invest in your training and development because they value skills and dedication more than ever. Imagine waking up, grabbing a coffee, and starting your workday from your cozy home office or even your favorite coffee shop. It's all possible with remote work. But how can you secure these high-paying remote jobs without experience? It's simpler than you think. First, begin by searching for remote job listings online. Use keywords like remote jobs 2023 and no experience remote work. Next, invest in yourself. Take online courses and gain relevant skills. Many companies offer free or low-cost training programs to help you get started. Lastly, perfect your resume and cover letter. Highlight your transferable skills and showcase your eagerness to learn and grow. With determination and a bit of preparation, you can land your dream remote job in no time. So, are you ready to unlock your future and embrace the world of high-paying remote jobs in 2023? Leave the daily grind behind and step into a new era of work-life balance and flexibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on remote work and career opportunities. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful.